To spend money on your Kikoff account, start by visiting the Kikoff website at kikoff.com. Once there, log into your account by filling in the required details. Next, click on the Kikoff Credit tab and scroll down the page. Select the Kikoff Store option, and you will be presented with a variety of products available for purchase. Choose the products you would like to buy, keeping in mind your store credit limit, and you're all set. It's worth noting that Kikoff has a limitation. You can only use your funds to make purchases within their store. If you need assistance or have any inquiries, you can contact their support team by phone at 1-856-249-3780, which is available weekdays from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. and weekends from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Mountain Time. Alternatively, you can reach out to them via email at support@kikoff.com. Overall, spending money on Kikoff is a straightforward process.